If you use Cursor AI, one of the fastest things you can learn is how to open the command palette. This little menu can save you a ton of time because it gives you quick access to commands, tools, and actions without having to dig through menus. In this video, I'll show you the simple keyboard shortcut to open it on Windows, Linux, and macOS. And then I'll show you what to do next once it appears. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure Cursor is open on your computer. You can be in any project or workspace, and the command palette will still work the same way. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and P at the same time. That means hold down Ctrl, then Shift, then tap P. On macOS, the shortcut is Command, Shift, and P. So again, hold Command, hold Shift, and press P. As soon as you use the shortcut, the command palette should pop up on your screen. This is where Cursor AI lets you search for commands, launch features, and run actions quickly. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're pressing the correct keys together and that Cursor is the active window. Once the command palette opens, you can start typing the command you want. For example, you might search for settings, theme options, AI's actions, file commands, or anything else Cursor has available. The nice part is that you do not need to memorize every menu location. You can simply open the palette, type a few letters, and choose the command from the drop-down list. Use the arrow keys to move through the options if needed, then press Enter to select the one you want. This is especially useful if you want to work faster, reduce clicks, and stay focused while coding or using Cursor AI features. If you use Cursor regularly, this shortcut is one of the first productivity tricks worth learning. It makes navigation much easier and helps you get to the tools you need almost instantly. And if you ever forget the shortcut, just remember it is Command-Shift-P on Mac and Control-Shift-P on Windows or Linux. That's all there is to it. You now know how to open the command palette in Cursor AI and choose a command from the drop-down menu. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.